What's up, you beautiful people? Today I'm gonna be making some peanut butter cookies. They're gonna be freaking amazing. I actually got the recipe off of an app called TikTok. TikTok, like I'm counting hours till I end my fucking life. So I started up the oven at a 350 degrees. We gotta wait for that. And while we're doing that, I guess I gotta put the peanut butter in this 1 cup thingy. It was very difficult, so I'd like to take a few moments for you to watch me struggle. Now that that's done, we're gonna have to beat the living hell out of the bottom into the bowl. I eventually do not do this anymore, and I just scoop it out because I'm a lazy piece of shit. Now it's time for the brown sugar. When I first got it, it's kind of hard, and that's what she said. But I eventually got it to soften up, and I scooped it. Squeezing it. Squeezing it. It's been a bad boy.
Ding dong, the wicked bitches.
Give it a squeeze. Next is the chocolate chips. This is probably the easiest part because nothing got stuck or anything was hard to get out. Here are some clips of me actually enjoying this part. Now it's time for the eggs. Oh my god, I love this part. It was quite excellent.
Not funny. Didn't laugh.
Now it's time for the baking soda. Now this was a little bit messy when I got it out, but hey, it was worth it. And now you mix it all together to get some cookie dough mixture. Now that we have our cookie dough, we can place down the tinfoil on the pan thingy and place it in the oven. Now when I tried to do this, I realized that I couldn't mold it in a ball because it was so like gooey and slime-ish. So I just decided, frick it, I'm gonna take chunks and slap it on there. Now that we have all the cookie dough that could fit in the pan, I'm going to suck on my fingers to get all that nice cookie dough off. What the fuck did I just say? Now we finally put it in the oven to bake at 350 for 11.5 minutes. Time to take the cookies out and have my mother review them because I have no idea how baking works. They're freaking huge.
I know, good job.
I would say that's what she said, but I don't think I should.
Why don't you do like 1 more minute?
But
How about 2 minutes? 2 minutes, then take them out.
2 minutes it is. Finally, it's time to take them out and let them cool. Alright, now I just scoop one out and put them on a plate. These taste like shit.